Hello everyone, my name is Ferkan, and in this video I will be talking about our release of version 1.10.0 for the Envision Glasses. So from version 1.10.0 and onwards, what you will find are two big differences from the previous version. One is the menu structure, and the second one being the Wi-Fi settings. So let's start with the menu structure first. So before jumping into the new menu structure, if you haven't done it yet, please update your glass to version 1.10.0. You can do this by going to settings and then to software, and if you do a double tap, a one finger double tap, you'll hear that you have a new version update. Right now, if I swipe forward, you will see a difference.
Instant text.
So what you actually hear now is instant text, and I'm gonna do a one finger swipe forward again.
Scan text.
Scan text.
Call an ally.
Call an ally.
Call an IRA agent.
Call an IRA agent.
Describe scene.
Describe scene. So the difference already with this new menu structure is that your favorites are immediately in your main menu. So right now when I swipe forward from the home menu, you will not see the categories anymore, but you will see the features that are the ones that you use the most or you would like to use the most. So if I swipe forward again,
Recognize cache.
I've recognized cache,
Find object.
find object,
Detect light.
detect light,
More features.
and then an option called more features. So by default you will see all of these features here, and later I will explain how to change these features and put them in this submenu called more features. To access this menu, I'm going to do a one finger double tap.
Batch scan.
So right now in the more features, the features that I have are batch scan, swipe forward,
Find people.
find people,
Explore.
explore,
Scan QR
scan
code.
QR code,
Detect colors.
detect colors, and that's it. So those are the features that I have in my more features menu, and if I swipe down,
More features.
I will go back to the more features submenu. So once I do a two finger swipe down or I swipe backwards with one finger,
Detect light. Find out. Recognize this. Call. Scan text. Instant text. Home.
and I'm back at the home screen. So the settings now are located at the back. So instead of swiping all the way to the back by doing a one finger swipe forward, all you have to do from the home screen is do a one finger swipe back.
Settings.
Here you will find the settings submenu, and if you do a one finger swipe backwards again,
Help.
this is where you'll find the help category. So all of the features are now in the main menu or in the more features menu. But let's say if I go back to the main menu, so doing a two finger swipe down, going back to the home screen.
Instant text. Scan. Call an. Describe scene. Recognize cache. Find object.
So for me, what I would want to do is hide the find object feature from the main menu. And the way to do this, you can do this either with the app, which I will show later, but you can also do it on the Envision Glasses directly. So what I do is I open the context menu by doing a two finger single tap.
Hide from main menu.
It says hide from main menu, and I do a
one finger double tap to hide this feature from the main menu and have it move to the more features menu.
Of course, the Envision Glasses will already tell you what it will do, so I'm going to do one finger double tap.
Find object is successfully hidden from the main menu and can now be found in the more features menu. Find object.
So right now, it goes back to the find object, and if I swipe forward, you will hear that I'm at the end of the menu, and if I swipe backward,
Detect colors.
it says detect colors,
Scan QR
scan
code.
QR code. So I know I'm back in the find object feature, but this time it's located in the more features menu. And to know that, I'm doing a one finger swipe down,
More features.
and I'm actually back at the more features submenu. So if I swipe backwards now,
Detect light. Recognize cache. Describe scene. Call an IRA agent. Call an ally.
as you can hear right now, the find object feature is now hidden from the main menu and it's moved to the more features menu. And this is also possible the other way around. So let's say I wanted to hide find object from the main menu because I'm not using it a lot, but there are other features that I might use a lot. Let's say the scan QR code feature. So I'm going to go to the more features menu now.
Call and detect more features.
And then we're going to do one finger double
Batch
tap.
scan. Find people. Explore. Scan QR code.
So scan QR code. I'm going to open the context menu again. And just to show you how it would look like for another feature, I'm going to first do it on the batch scan.
Find people. Batch scan. Smart guidance is enabled.
So the context menu will first open the... So if the feature already has a context menu with the function that you can change, we'll have to do a swipe forward.
Layout language detection. Word detection. protection, add to main menu.
And then you'll see the possibility to add to main
Do a
menu.
one-finger double tap to add this feature to batch scan. Find scan QR code.
So right now when I'm back in the scan QR code, what I'm going to do is open the context menu by doing a two-finger single tap.
Add to main menu.
And then do one-finger double tap.
Scan QR code is successfully added to the main menu. Scan QR code.
So right now I'm going to do a swipe forward.
More features.
And immediately goes to the more features menu. So right now what you just heard is that the scanned QR code is now also in the main menu as it's located before the more features menu. So if I swipe backward,
Scan QR
there's scan
code.
QR code.
Detect light. Recognize, describe, see, call and out, scan text.
And all the other features in my main menu. But the nice thing is that I can also do this from my phone. So here I have my phone and I'm going to open the Envision app, open the glasses dashboard. It will connect with my glasses. This can take a few seconds. So now I'm in the Envision Glass dashboard and I'm going to the settings screen. Right now in the settings, you will find a different menu item, which is the menu structure.
Main menu, heading, back, button.
So in the menu structure, it will fetch the list of all my features. And if I swipe to the right,
Main menu, heading.
I will see the main menu.
Hide instant text from the main menu. Instant text. Reorder instant text. Hide scan text from the main menu. Scan text.
And all the functions are now shown in the main menu. And if I swipe back downwards,
13 of 13. More features menu.
I'll also have the more features menu. So in the Envision Glass dashboard, you're able to move objects from the more features menu to the main menu and vice versa. And what you can do additionally on the app is change the order. So right now, my instant text is first and then the scan text. So if I'd like to have this the other way around, I'm going to go to scan text. And with VoiceOver on iOS, what I have to do is tap and hold it or long press it. I'm long pressing scan text and moving it upwards.
Instant text.
So right now scan text is on the top and instant text is as a second feature. And let's say I also want to
Hide recognize cache from the main menu.
hide recognize cache from main menu. I can do that. I'm going to do double tap. And now from the more features menu, I'd like to
more features menu. Add recognize reorder recognize cache. Add batch scan. Add batch scan to the main menu.
I'd like to add batch scan again to the main menu and then maybe reorder it to the third place.
Add batch scan to the main menu. Add batch scan. Batch scan. Move to row 1 of move to row 2 of 13. Move to row 3 of 13. Instant text.
So right now, what I changed in the menu structure on the Envision Glass dashboard in the Envision app is I changed the order of instant text and scan text. So scan text is first, then instant text, and then batch scan. And I also hit the recognize cache feature from the main menu just to show you what is possible. There's one more thing to do. On the right top, make sure to save it. I'm going to do a double tap on save.
Alert. Processing. Alert. Saved successfully. Your preference. OK. Button.
So my preferences are saved now. So if I go to my glasses, I'm going to do one finger double tap to wake them.
Home.
And right now, if I swipe forward, I should see the same menu structure that I've set in the Envision Glass dashboard. So first scan text, instant text, and then batch scan.
Scan text. Instant text. Batch scan.
Perfect. So what you can do is from the Envision Glass dashboard in the Envision app is add, hide, and rearrange features on your Envision Glasses. And on the Envision Glass itself, from the context menu, you can add and hide features. So this is everything about the new menu structure on the Envision Glasses. And I would love to hear about the features that you're going to leave in your main menu and the features that you're going to maybe put in the more features menu. So now let's talk about the Wi-Fi settings, and I'm doing that by doing a one finger swipe backwards
Settings.
and going to the settings submenu, doing a one finger double tap.
Audio.
And from audio, if I do a one finger swipe forward, you will see the Wi-Fi settings.
Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi status. You are currently connected to Best of Wi-Fi Van Waldorf.
So immediately what you'll notice is that the first screen is something different than before. And we added now a screen which gives you a clear example of your Wi-Fi status so that you know that you're connected to a Wi-Fi screen. So in my case, it says I'm connected to my Wi-Fi here at home. But the biggest change we added for Wi-Fi is the function after this.
Quick switch to another known and active network around you. Switch quickly to a nearby alternative network that is known and active. This is ideal for when you're connected to Wi-Fi and want to connect to your phone's hotspot.
So basically, I didn't have to say anything because the glass all tell me what this function is about. But to give you an example of how this works and why we've added this is really ideal for situations when you're at home and you'd like to go outside and use the Envision glasses. Before, what you had to do might maybe be go to Wi-Fi settings, go to connect to Wi-Fi, open those settings and try to connect to your phone's hotspot. The great thing about this new feature is all that I need to do is on my iPhone, make sure that my hotspot is enabled, and only for iOS you need to make sure that the screen stays open. And if this is a connection that I've connected with before, which is the case because I connected with my hotspot before, with my phone's hotspot, it should immediately connect to that version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double tap.
Searching for another known and active network around you.
It's now looking for that.
Ferkan, iPhone 13 mini. Wi-Fi status, you are currently connected to Ferkan, iPhone 13 mini.
Now I'm connected to my phone's hotspot, and all I needed to do was double tap on one button and it switched from my home's Wi-Fi network to my phone's hotspot. And this is ideal when you're going outside and you want to be sure that you're already connected to your phone's hotspot before going outside and losing an internet connection.
Wi-Fi status, you are currently connected to Ferkan, iPhone 13 mini.
So right now I'm connected to my phone's hotspot, and if I would want to, I can go back again to the quick switch and do a double tap and it will go back to my home Wi-Fi network.
Connected to Ferkan, iPhone 13 mini.
But what I'm going to do instead is actually going to use a voice command, because in this version we also had a voice command to quickly switch to that other network. So I'm going to hold the hinge button, quick switch. So what it will do now, it will open quick switch.
Searching for another known and active network around you. Connecting to Besta Wi-Fi Van Waldorf. Wi-Fi status, you are currently connected to Besta Wi-Fi Van Waldorf.
That's it. That's also how easy it is to switch again from your phone's hotspot to your home's Wi-Fi network simply by using the voice command quick switch. So the biggest changes for the Wi-Fi in version 1.10.0 are the Wi-Fi status screen and the quick switch, but we also made a lot of small changes which you can see for yourself, which is a much more seamless experience on connecting to different Wi-Fi networks and hotspots, but also ways of refreshing the Wi-Fi network list much easier. So that's it for the Wi-Fi settings for version 1.10.0. But we do know how important it is to stay connected to the internet, whether that's when you're making a video call or when you're using one of the online functions such as getting something described in front of you. That's why in the coming time we'll even add more guidance to the Envision glasses in getting connected to any network that is around you. So once again, version 1.10.0, make sure to update to this latest version. We really hope you're going to enjoy the new menu structure, but also the improved Wi-Fi settings. For any questions, you can always go to our support page, which is support.letsenvision.com, or always send an email to support@letsenvision.com. My name is Ferkan, and I wish you a wonderful day.